Hi, and welcome to Ffenics, a great tool that enables you to run your business the way you want to. In this video, we will show you how easy an application built in Ffenics is to use. So let's start by signing in. You should have already installed Ffenics, either from the CD or downloaded it. Great. Before you get started, you will also need to download the familiarization application from the Ffenics website, which is located under Products. We recommend that you put it in a new, empty directory on your machine. Now all you need to do is start Ffenics from the Start Here dialog. Once you have been into an application, it is available under the Open Recent Application option. But as this is the first time, let's click on Use drop-down menu and then click Go. You now need to click on File and Open Application, and in the directory where you installed it will be the option of choosing the familiarization application, so click on that. Ffenics then asks for a name and password. We ship a blank user with a familiarization application. Later, when you create your own application, you can either have a blank user or can create other users, each of which can have different security levels and can be given access to different parts of the system. So let's just use the blank user and click OK. We are now taken to the main catalogue screen. Here we can see this application consists of a number of forms, aspects, relationships, etc. This application is a customer relationship management or CRM system. We can see this if we click on Menu 1 in the Forms section. The training videos are all based on it, and we will enter and change data, create new forms, reports and menus in the various videos, all the time helping you to build your knowledge of this easy to use but powerful application. So let's start by going into the organisation form. If we use the right-hand green button, we can step through the form one record at a time. The left-hand green button takes us backwards one record at a time. The two blue buttons enable us to go to the first and last records in the system. This form has been designed to show just one record on the screen at a time. However, it is quite possible, if the form has been designed that way, for a form to show 2, 3 or more records at a time, in which case the up and down green buttons will enable us to page through the records. We have just been looking at records using Form View. Ffenics also provides us with the opportunity to look at records in Table View. Now let's look at two particular scenarios: sorting data and searching for specific data. Let's click on the Record Sort button. That's the one with the black arrows pointing up and down. And then let's click just under Organisation Name. The system displays the number 1, i.e. this is the first field we are sorting on. You can sort on 2, 3 or even more fields simultaneously, but we're just going to use one field for demonstration purposes. Now click on the Record Sort button again, and we can see that the data is sorted into ascending order. If we click on the Record Sort button once more, we can see the number 1 under the Organisations. To get rid of the sort criteria, let's click on the Record Sort button, position our cursor in the field that is being used for sorting Organisation, and then press the Delete key, which removes the sort criteria. Clicking the Record Sort button again puts the data back in its original order. So sorting data is very easy and flexible. Now let's look at searching for data, and we're going to look at 4 different types of searching. Firstly, let's click on the Select Record button and enter the search criteria. In the first case, we will look for organisations beginning with the letter S by entering the letter S followed by the wildcard asterisk. When we click on the Select Records button, it then shows only the records that match the criteria, i.e. organisations with a name beginning with the letter S. The second search we can use is multiple wildcards. Asterisk comp asterisk finds just those records containing the string comp. The third type of search is to use the question mark as a single character wildcard. S question mark MPLE asterisk shows how it works. The final search method we are going to use is the SoundX. This can be really helpful when you are unsure of the spelling of a word. For example, searching for people called Smythe or Smith. In this example, we will search for records that sound like the word sample. The soundex function is the tilde sign. Let's enter tilde sample, and we get records that sound like sample, simple, sample, and example. So finding data, sorting it, and generally moving around the system is very simple, quick to do, and easy to learn. That's it for this short video. Now go to the next in the series, which will build on your knowledge and enable you to get the most out of Ffenics.